OpenAI is rewriting the playbook for AI capabilities with its latest beta feature, Tasks. This isn't just about setting reminders, it's a glimpse into the future of agentic AI. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into OpenAI's new Tasks feature for ChatGPT, which lets you schedule actions like a pro. Whether you're looking for weekly news updates, personalized reminders, or recurring tasks, Tasks has you covered. Here's how it works. Open the chat or the tasks page from your profile menu. Type in what you want ChatGPT to do, and send me a weekly AI news summary, or remind me to drink water every 2 hours, and you're all set. Let's talk about some powerful ways you can use tasks in your daily life. These are not just ideas, they're life upgrades. 1. Weekly AI news summary. Imagine this. Every Saturday morning, you wake up to a concise summary of all the latest AI product launches, startup funding news, and research breakthroughs. Instead of spending hours scouring the web, ChatGPT can compile everything into one neat package, straight to your inbox or as a message. Stay ahead of the curve without lifting a finger. 2. AI events and conference alerts. Are you tired of missing key AI events and conferences? With Tasks, you can schedule a weekly reminder every Friday to get a curated list of upcoming events across India, Europe, and the United States. Whether you're a researcher, enthusiast, or professional, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect or learn. 3. Vegan weekly diet plan. Here's a health-focused idea. If you're working on eating less cheese or protein, you can ask ChatGPT to create a vegan diet plan every week. For example, you could request that pizza or burgers with cheese appear no more than once a week. ChatGPT will give you Indian and Mexican-inspired meals tailored to your preferences. It's like having a personal dietitian. 4. Stock alerts twice a day. Stay on top of the markets with stock alerts before the USA and Indian markets open. You can set up reminders to get updates on critical stock trends or even alerts for your portfolio movements. This could save you hours of manual research while giving you a competitive edge in trading or investing. 5. Weekly coding challenges. If you're a developer or aspiring coder, Tasks can help you level up your skills. You can schedule ChatGPT to send a challenging AI-related coding problem every week. It's a fantastic way to build your GitHub portfolio and keep your problem-solving skills sharp. 6. Weekend movie suggestions. Let's say you want to relax and watch a movie every weekend, but you don't have time to browse through endless options. With Tasks, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest a single movie from all streaming platforms that matches your preferences. Less romance, more action. Perfect for making the most of your weekend downtime. 7. Weekly AI research papers review. Researchers, this one's for you. Tasks can deliver a list of new and notable AI research papers to review every week. You'll have access to cutting-edge knowledge in areas like NLP, computer vision, or robotics, keeping you ahead in the fast-evolving field of AI. Tasks isn't just a feature, it's a foundation for what's coming next. With OpenAI rumored to release Operator, this could be the year we see AI assistants take center stage. Imagine combining tasks with tools like real-time web access or file generation. The possibilities are endless. Are you excited about ChatGPT's Tasks feature? Which use case do you think would change your life the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI updates. See you next time.